Go girls! Guys, welcome back to my girl. I can't even get out. So guys, we're going to IKEA today. We're back. Andito po kami ulit sa Black Curtain. Ayan. Outfit check. OOTD.
Wait. OOTD? Okay.
Okay, you first.
Fit check. This is a gift for my birthday, a denim frog jacket. Thrifted, gifted, Shein, Claire's.
You're a ghost.
Oh, America's Best.
What about you, girl?
Oh wait. This an Asian store.
Okay lang yan. They don't care.
So this is from Shein. And I don't have bra. And then this is from okay. This is from Finish Line. Okay. Go, give a nothing.
So we're gonna try different flavors today. Cause I ordered the chocolate before, and then Atilika is the same as me, and then I don't know. Just look at my vlog. This is my outfit. Where did you? This is my sister tank top, and this is from what? Thrift store, and
Oh, that's the Levi's.
this shoes is Air Force from Finish Line. That's it. So after we puta ka ito nag-English. Pagkatapos nito is we're going to IKEA.
10 hours. I work like maximum like 10 hours. And I got paid like $6 an hour.
Guys, so we're still here at the Dinky.
I don't want
We're still waiting for our order.
I will take my senior
and I think it will
picture
take.
in
Oh my god, they're
September.
so.
So can you guys make it for me?
There are so. Yeah, I did. You already told me, girl. But I think you gotta pay it though. Just kidding. What kind of look?
Like I don't know where.
Just like basic one. Yeah.
Mama yan. Ano bang kaya? Nice one.
Sorry guys for my ugly nails, cause I just did it to myself, but I didn't know how to do it for my other hands. You know, other fingers. I don't know how to call it.
Oh. I wanna try.
After here, we're on the way to.
What the fuck?
Guys, we're on our way to IKEA. Yeah.
Galit siya, Gigi.
Cool.
Parang nirita mo.
So we got our milk tea. Mine is chocolate again. I said I want to try the other flavor, but I don't know if I'm gonna like it. So I stay to chocolate. So that's Atilika. So guys, we're here at the IKEA now, and it's still raining, but we don't have umbrella. So good thing that I have my jackets and I have like a hood something. Wait! Oh my god, why did I wear white shoes? So this is the IKEA. Para lang siyang
The Philippines.
the LCC of the US.
I'm sorry. Oh my god, why did it? Ang bahok naman po.
True, it's burger. Look, it's still raining.
You're like, are you excited? Are you excited?
So that's the exit.
A few moments later.
Are you excited? Yeah. Oh, this is a good picture. Hi. Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
What the? And took a lot.
And what?
My friend come here and took a lot of pictures.
Oh.
Nice.
Wait, there's a lot of... Oh, that is so fucking cute. What the fuck? Where's the table? The little, there's something nice. 99 cents.
Wait, do we have
Look at that. Show. Yeah.
What about this?
Girl. Let's go, let's go.
Instagrammable.
This. Oh my god, I don't have my mask.
It's okay, you're already vaccinated.
Wear masks. But if you're but if you're vaccinated, you don't have to, like me. Wow. Look at the bedroom. Did you say oh?
So guys, okay, we're gonna go
Yeah.
to our
Dorm to
Apartment
apartment tour. So when you walk in, this is my living room. This is me and Kyla's hangout space.
yeah.
We watch movies right here. And I'll show you to my favorite part of my apartment,
Your baby
which is kitchen. The
So here,
kitchen. This is where I
kitchen.
eat. Then my second favorite. Go this way. Is my bedroom.
Ooh, this is so
Yeah.
pretty.
Yeah, that's it. This is May's room. Oh, look at it like, oh my goodness.
I'm looking for this one.
Girl, that's for lazy people. Just kidding.
This is fake. Oh yeah, it's fake. Sana all. It's so fake. Like, look.
Look, that's so pretty.
Oh, this is
gonna look like this soon. Just kidding.
You said you wanted white.
Yeah, I know.
True.
Look at the bathroom, y'all.
Well, I like these.
Kyla.
This is pretty. So fake. Oh, look at me.
Posed. I need it.
Yeah, this one is better.
Yeah, I know. It's fake.
They have this?
This is pretty.
And then next one. Yeah. Oh, I got mask. Ikat mo naman. Oh no!
This one's my kid. This is my kid. Do you want iced tea?
Iced tea.
This is you.
How about whose kitchen is this?
You want one?
Oh, that's my kitchen. Oh, really?
Hey, that's you, boo. You already said it.
Oh, this okay. Oh, this is yours. Okay.
Oh, that one's mine.
Oh, this one is mine. I know this one. I never mind. But this is pretty.
I kind of don't like the browns.
But I do.
Oh, Come in, come in. This is my boyfriend's apartment. Ew. Oh, that's her mom. Oh, you guys have a daughter already. I know. That's his family. I'm kidding.
Ooh, that's very black. I like this one. Not really.
So that we can go. How about you? Whose is this, Hannah? Oh, take a picture, Kylla.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
So guys, kukunin na lang namin yung bibilhin ni ate and then alis na kami. Tapos kakain na lang kami sa labas kasi nasaraduhan kami. Kasi ay! Sorry girl, I should speak English then. Oh, you need to buy something? The table.
Oh, here.
We're here. Yeah. That's the same name? Same name?
Gotta sneeze.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
Yeah. Nice. Let's go. Okay, show her vlog. So,
This is
explain
what
what you
we're
got.
gonna buy.
About the chain on the back. Yeah.
That's it.
That's
That is.
Tili, go.
Gonna be like.
What is wrong with her?
69. I'm a plant, specifically a flower.
Naluyos na. This is the So we're gonna get the
So guys, we're on our way to get Ate Laika's table. Like this. It's so hot. So this is their card. Look.
the overview.
And the overview. 14 over there. Over there. Can you say over there? Over there. Oh, cute. Mom? Oh, wait. Wait, let me see the name.
Mom. You gotta ask him.
Oh, this way, yeah, this way. Oh, it's like, oh, where's the white? Where's the white one? Over there, the like. Right here. Oh, right here. Oh, the white one. This one? Yeah. What if we get the wrong one? No. 1+2. This product comes in two packages. No, it's not.
Oh, not this one. Oh, this one.
No, but that's black, bestie.
Here's the white.
Oh, here's the white one.
This one?
Yeah.
This one.
Oh no, yay! This is her first IKEA buyer.
I don't know if this one's written. Oh, wait. Yes.
So there,
It's right.
she's gonna get like this. The
I know
one that
but
I
like,
showed you
that's
guys
the black
before.
one. So it's gonna have different number.
True.
Oh, yeah, this is the black one. So this we need the white one. Okay.
She's getting the white one.
Wait, does it come with a thingy?
I think so.
Okay. Okay, let's go! Yay! Ito like...
You got it, girl.
So heavy! Wait. Guys, stop filming.
Okay, it's okay. I'm gonna film you guys. You guys can help each other. Go, girls.
To ask somebody. This one. 1, 2, 3. Hey, I can't help.
Excuse me?
What?
He didn't hear you guys.
Bro, it's so heavy. There. There you
Wait.
Girl!
go.
Yes, this. Oh, sorry.
Hold that one.
Wait.
Be careful, you guys.
Here. There. Like, bro, it's not gonna fit. Yes. No.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Oh, sorry.
Thank you.
Express your happiness. Nag-iido na. Can I film too?
Sure.
I still did help.
So you can be in the vlog. Okay. Hey guys, I'm gonna film. Hey guys, so we're here at the IKEA. Ano? Go ka dyan, go lang. IKEA section. This is where is yung dito mo na yung mga in-order nyo like what ate like. So, hindi natin ibibigay ang kanyang wallet para hindi niya mabili. Here. Yun na daw sis. Okay. Here's your wallet filled. So guys, we're gonna pay. Ate Laika's gonna pay. Kabangga pa ko. So guys, we're gonna pay. We're gonna pay.
You can ask.
Can we go to other aisle? You guys, look at the sunset. So pretty.
Oh, this. And then I can probably sit with
This is our currently situation. We're trying to figure out how to fit this box right here. Yep.
What do you want to eat?
I know that you've been gone. You and me, we don't belong. It only makes me strong. After the blood ran out, don't wanna know one else. That's what I used to know.
So guys, we're gonna eat here at the Chili's Grill Bar, I think. Cause we were supposed to eat at the Tin An, but Tin An, it's a Vietnamese restaurant, and it's gonna close at 9 p.m. so we don't have time.
Hey, that's nice. Huh?
Ay, I'm vlogging, sis.
Ay, sorry, girl. Just cut that up.
It's okay, they don't know who it is. So guys, lumipit. I'm so tired of talking. So lumipat na lang kami dito sa ibang location na Chili's. Kasi guys, nung pumasok kami, sabi daw, madami kasi doon tao. And then sabi nila, sabi nung lalaki, we have to wait for like 20 minutes before we can eat. And then we literally drove for like 20 minutes. I know, 13
Yeah, 13.
lang. Yeah, 13.
Wrong information.
Sorry. Here.
Dahil hindi talaga, te.
Oh my god, I feel like you guys.
And I like your ball.
I'm cute. I'm cute. Oh, this is the hungry girl.
So hungry.
Same.
What is that?
20 minutes later.
Guys, this is our first order.
Chicken soup. Chicken noodle soup. Chicken noodle soup. Chicken noodle soup. With a soda on the side. got the lemonade.
This is really good, guys.
Yeah.
So guys, here's our food. We got the same order.
You know you can tap the camera?
No.
No, go to the library. And then